Hi, this is Ray from Honeytop Bees. I am super excited. I've been waiting for this moment for probably 5 months ago. If you watch my channel, you saw I set up this observation hive for inside of my teaching room several months ago. But today's the day we're going to install a package of bees in it. Never done this before, but I've installed enough packages that I hope this goes well. We'll see how it goes. To do this, I'm going to lay down this hive on its side like this. Give the bees something to fall into. I'm going to remove a couple of these frames that I have out of the hive so that there is plenty of room for the bees to fall down in. And let's get our package ready and prepped. There's my sugar water spray here. Oh boy. Oh no, I see it. All right, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take the queen out. I'm going to give them a pretty heavy dose of sugar water spray. As a matter of fact, I'm probably going to go ahead and give them a little bit on the sides right now. This will really distract them, keep them from flying any more than is necessary. And I'm hoping that it's going to allow me to get most of the bees inside of here. Unlike a hive, it's a little harder for them to find the entrance in the side of the shop where they'll be going in and out in the future. I'm going to go ahead and tap this down. Get all the bees onto the bottom. And then I'm going to spray them pretty good on the top. Give them something to do for a few moments. Take this can out. And take our queen out. And take the cork out of the bottom so that the bees will be able to eat the candy out and release her in a few days. I want the queen to be visible on the outside panel, so I'm going to put her in last. So I believe at this point I am ready to, actually I'm going to go ahead and get her ready so that I can do this quickly and hopefully have less bees flying around. So I'm going to go ahead and press this queen cage in. And make sure that they can get to that candy on the bottom. And ultimately that's going to go probably what's that? Oh, it goes the other way. Let's see, I just want to make sure this is going to close properly. It looks like we'll be fine. All right, this is the moment. Shake the bees down one more time. And all right, now I need to quickly put these frames back in. One will go there. This one will go here. This one will go here. And this one will go here. There's bees getting crushed, and we have a successful top bar installation. Look at how few bees we have. They're actually out. I'm gonna go get my drill so I can tighten these up. Yeah, that was really pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. Okay. And let's go ahead and bring it into the shop. Stood up properly here. All right, let's see how things look inside here. It looks good to me. Yeah, you can move it however we want. Yeah, I did lose a few bees. Sorry, girls, just trying to move that frame off. Did lose a few bees in here, but
where?
Well, these that got squished
Oh.
on the bottom side, but it looks like we lost some down there that died. But I mean, that's going to be expected.
Yeah.
You can't get them. Most of them should be. And those should all be alive in there. Gosh, I hope this is all right, but I can't do anything about it now. All right, let's give them some sugar water.